got my for security. This is the old spark plug. Oh, Denson, eller hur kan det Denson? Denson och Emma på. This is the old spark plug and look at the new one. Brand new. The difference. This guy should be in should have his own mechanic shop. I don't know. My friend over here that's changing all this stuff, he should have his own shop. I don't know what he's doing. So this is the difference, right? Old one and the new one. Wow, big difference. So we're gonna change all 4 of them. Oops. Coil? This is the ignition coil. You just put the ignition coil. Make sure you don't tie it up too much. That's it. I was going for the number 1. So when we checked, the problem was number 2, but it's recommended to change all 4 of them, especially the spark plugs. So now make sure you got an extension and the spark plug key to go in, because it's kind of deep. This one looks like kind of tight. Don't mind the little, it's a little bit dirty, the car. I was thinking about cleaning it right now, but while it's open, it's not supposed to clean it. I don't want the dirt to go inside, right? Wash it out. There you go. So one of them we're gonna leave it right there. Second one in come. Same thing. That one much dirty, right? You see the difference, huh? That one is more dirty. See, number 2. I guess that's the one that was giving the problem. But it's recommended to change all 4 of them. Just for information, guys, this at the Toyota dealer, $16 each. We got 6 of them for $20. 6 of them for $20. 6 of these right here. Samir the magnet, huh? Gloves is not necessary, but if you don't want to get dirty, you wear them. This is the coil ignition number 1. It's very easy for the coil ignition. Just one screw and you're good to go. That's the coil right there. The spark plug is inside. You got the biggest extension Boom. Let's see, this one might be a little more cleaner. Ooh, that one is bad too. Let's see. This one is bad too. The first one wasn't that bad. The second one was really bad. The third one is also bad too. It's just like that. So the spark plug key has a magnet, which helps keep the spark plug from falling. So the third ignition coil going in. So as you guys are gonna see it on the title, this video is gonna be how to change spark plugs or coil. Coil, same thing. Coil actually it's easier because all you need is a 10mm screw right here to take it off, unplug it, and just put a new one. So you see, put them in. That's gonna tight. This one is not as bad as the other ones. Yeah, this one is not as bad as the other one. But like I said, it's recommended to change all 4 of them, and they're not expensive anyway. The new one is much better. Oops. Fall. That's the new one. Extension, boom, just goes in. And that's it. So that's the 4th one right there, guys. This one, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. If you have with 6, which is 2 in the back over here, then you need a little more time for those. And you gotta have, I think, you gotta have a wrench that's like extension. The coil that just goes in right there. 1 screw, easy. So, guys, you could do this yourself instead of taking it to a mechanic. Even anybody could do it. I'm just screwing them just to make sure they are screwed perfectly, not too tight, but make sure they're that's it. So I bought 6 of them for $20. 4 of them done, 2 left on the side. So I got 2 extra. So that's the cover that goes on it. That's it.